Hello, my name is Janet Swinton, and I am the Executive Director here at CareNet Pregnancy Center of Thurston County in Olympia, Washington. We are so excited that you have an interest in CareNet. CareNet has been here for 30 plus years in Thurston County. We have served thousands of men, women, and babies with the services of pregnancy testing, ultrasound, STD testing, and parenting. So we hope you enjoy this video as you take a walk through CareNet with us.
Hi, my name is Jane, and I'm the Client Service Manager here at CareNet. I'm glad that you came by today to find out a little bit about what I do here at CareNet. I basically oversee all of our volunteers and just love on them, train them, teach them in order to serve our clients better. We have many different kinds of volunteer services available here. Some are client related, where you would be working with a client, and some are not client related, as working in the baby boutique here. We have volunteers that come in a few hours a week. We have volunteers that come in on an intermittent basis, volunteers for events, all different kinds of places that you could fit in here. I try very hard to work with your schedule to determine what the best fit is for you, utilizing your own talents and expertise.
Hi, I'm Tara Heggie. I'm the bookkeeper here at CareNet. I work part-time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I started here in 2010, so I've been here 5 years. And what I usually do is I do all the donor records and deposits that come in and help with the accounting for all the events that happen, and then do the normal bookkeeping, payables, and payroll. And then I get to help with the baby bottle campaign, which we do a lot of your churches, and it's a fun thing to do, to participate in. I also mail receipts out to donors, so you probably hear from me monthly and annually with your statements. If you have any questions about those, you can always give me a call. I do the financial reports for the board monthly and annually, and enjoy working here. It's fun. I get to volunteer a couple times a month working at the front desk, and that's an opportunity for me to get to work with clients, which is always a treat. It's been great being here.
I'm Lori. I'm the nurse manager here at CareNet, and we have several volunteer nurses that work here. Sometimes we have 2 nurses working at one time, but this is the medical wing, and this is where we would have the client come in and leave a sample. We always have cups in the basket, and then they put in the walkthrough. And then if you come down this way, this is PT consultant room 1, and the consultant will meet with them in there, and we will offer the pregnancy test results there. And down here is the lab. This is where we do our pregnancy test, and we send the urine off for STD testing. And the lockbox is where we keep the STD tests until we send them off. And we test for chlamydia and gonorrhea, and the treatment's free and the test is free. This is a photo of some of our babies that we have filmed over the years. Last June I got to film triplets. It was really exciting, so you never know what you're going to see when you look inside. This is PT consultant room 2. This is usually where we have the STD tests and the ultrasound tests come in, and we do the consulting in here. And then over here is the ultrasound room, and this is where we get to take pictures of the baby. And so we get mom already in here, and she's all covered up, and the significant other or a best friend or parent can come in and view the baby with them. And that's the screen where the baby usually shows. And life is a miracle. And then in here, this is the nurse's office. And sometimes there's 2 nurses working here, sometimes there's just 1. And we give the clients a variety of information about healthy pregnancy, how to encourage them to quit any substances that might be detrimental to them and their babies. And we have this something called the Little One app, and they can actually access that for free now. It's really exciting. So we have an iPad for that, and we always give them a set of booties and ask them if they are hoping for a boy or girl. And these are all handmade by volunteers. And then we have a list of a stack of things that we give them. And these are our babies that we show them. This is 9 weeks, 10 weeks, 11 weeks, 12 weeks, and 14 weeks. And so we also give them prenatal vitamins all the way through pregnancy and up through 6 months of breastfeeding. And we give them a little gift bag if their baby in the ultrasound is 8 weeks or larger. And we also have most of the information comes in Spanish or in English, so we can offer our services to a variety of clients. Welcome to CareNet.
Hello everyone, my name is Marilyn and I'm the front desk supervisor here at CareNet. And every day I come in and I just greet anyone who walks through the door, whether that's a client or a donor or just someone that has a question about what we do here. I answer the phones and do all the scheduling. When a client comes in, I help them fill out their paperwork and input their information for our statistics. And I schedule future appointments for them or sign them up for classes. And that's a little bit of what I do here.
Hi, my name is Kathleen and I'm the social media and marketing specialist here at CareNet, and I wanted to share a little bit more about what I do. I work with both the supporter website and the client website, which provides information for our community to find out more about who we are or to take advantage of our services. Hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at those websites, but if you haven't, the addresses will be here and you can go take a look at those and find out more about who we are. We also have an online presence on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Another great set of places to find out what we're up to and communicate with us and pass on to family and friends. And I also do any sort of print or digital marketing that we might need, whether it's for an event such as our Walk for Life or annual banquet, or some sort of event in the community or some event at a church. So pretty much anything that has to do with promoting CareNet in our community, that's what I work on. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to meet you in person soon.
Hi, it's Janet again. I bet you're so excited after meeting so many people here at CareNet. Well, I get the chance now to tell you what I get to do. I am blessed to serve as a director, as you heard earlier, and I am so honored and humbled to help lead a staff of 7 and really oversee and share the ministry of CareNet here in the community of Thurston County and beyond, actually. I get to meet babies as they come in the door. I get to see the clients' lives blessed and fulfilled. There's nothing better than to watch a mom choose life and then to see their eyes connect when the baby and the mom come in to introduce themselves to us again. And another thing I get to do is I get to work with a wonderful board of directors. I get to be in prayer daily of how God wants to use CareNet here in Thurston County. Going out and sharing with local churches, local businesses, and letting people know we're here to help. I love when I tell people, you know, here's what we are. We're a pregnancy medical clinic. And they say, well, what do you charge? And I get to say, because of generous donors and volunteers, everything we do is free of charge. So I pray that you continue to be blessed as you see more people here at CareNet, and I look forward to working with you. God bless you.